To all my subscribers, new subscribers and viewers, welcome. Thank you guys for supporting the big up on yourself. So people run come there. We can't fast. Eh? Make we chat people them business. We nobody business, but you know it already. If people them always come and tell people business. When me busy I do my business and come and tell me. And me hear something me want to ask, so no. Yeah. I mean, I know if you ask really coming no want me won't get me in trouble. And the people they must say me mischievous. I mean, no want to go in the naughty corner. So, but people, then. Oh, no never tell me say. Uno not tell me nothing around here, you know. Uno not tell me nothing. Yeah. Every day me busy. I try to find something for go no, and you not tell me nothing. So, you know, even though if you talk, you know, I'm if you both need, I know I get in no trouble. But people, me want to know that one here. Because me and I look in a curly yard the other day, and me see where she prowl out from big bed. And then I realized that she did a yard. Yeah. Wanna listen to me good. She done a yard. In a hotel setting. That's what she said. So she said she go travel every month. Yeah. She go travel every month. Yeah. So I saw me here, she said, but then me hear one other little thing. Yeah. Me see something, I know hear me here. Me see something when me peep over there because me want to know what I go on. Because me hear all heap of talking I go on and me want to know what I go on. So me take myself, go over the nether yard over the book face. And me see where she had show her wristband. Yeah. She had proved to the lady down at the port place, down at Porty. She had proved to Porty say that she in a hotel, in a how much star hotel, no little dibby hotel, you know, she in a nice hotel, she a drive to prove with a wristband all inclusive when you wristband. So she in a the room, yeah, on the real you are whatever you, yeah, I know that's how she there. So she show her wristbands, me dears, and say, yeah, so we see the wristband, so it proves that she dead. So, I think, what funny thing? I think, say, I look funny thing, you know, I look funny thing. I'm thinking, well, if people there say, curly no live nowhere. Me I go say, if people them say, you know, I know Missy say, you know, if people them say, I don't know what curly business, but if people them say they're on the streets for over a year now, say Curly no live nowhere. And Curly gone in a 5-star hotel. What can go so? Yeah. So Curly is living above her means, I'm gonna say yes so. Because you take up yourself, go on a 5-star hotel, and you know, sort out your house or home affairs or whatever affairs. I just that me there I wonder say. Curly, she start out her business first and gone at Jamaica in a 5-star hotel. Me no know if Curly gone the reality show of her life. Yeah. You know, if Curly reality show of her life, she have to show everybody everything. And this is the problem with people on social media. Everything them have to put out there on social media. Nothing no private anymore. People have to know them whereabouts and all that, yeah. So reality show of her life. Me no know if she gone with man. A man was up America. Or she get man at Jamaica. If you go get dicky. Because I pray that children Curly have to talk about dicky and all kind of things. So, yeah. So, if you not gone with her man up there, up America, she will get man down there. Because, you know, it go already. Hey, man, them down there. Them always want foreigners. So, Curly, you won't have a problem to get any dicky if you want dicky or ticky. So, Yeah, so that me hear. So then me hear now. Say, them are expose Curly for scamming. And so me hear, me just a repeat what me hear on the street and me thinking, what can go so? Woman what she say she not collect money for charity and she not show nothing and all that. She never show nothing. But this woman, me don't know if woman in calling, it come like human in calling, pan over there. She speak to the woman, and the woman have so many children, and the woman need help. And me know say the pastor they say the money what she said she not gonna give him back. She give it to the lady. Yeah. But anyway, I mean, I don't really know the full ins and out of the story. But Curly never gonna talk how much money she get, and she never gonna show nothing. She said she not show nothing. So now, woman come out and gone on the degree man platform, go drop voice note and all them things there. So you know, people them are gonna say no, Curly scammy woman and gone abroad. No, sir, this serious bad. But you know, Curly that say people are scammer too. So, she not sure nothing. She not sure nothing. She sure no transparency or nothing. So, you know, what the people them like on the streets. So, lady come out for drop voice note. Me no hear voice note them, but me know say, me see somebody run out her friend and me run out. And I talk. I talk about the situation and saying this day and age she should have did show something. Yeah. Because she give people them things to talk about. Yes. I saw them say. And me here say she deal with the lady in a horrible way of voice. No what I drop her about the place. And while Curly over Jamaica, I listen to it. So Curly can't keep off social media. Yeah, she can't keep off social media. She always have it on social media. You depend on holiday, and instead of you enjoy your holiday, you depend on social media. You can do a couple little videos and posts, but if you depend on social media and a live and all and something there every minute, you know, make sense. You there work, you depend on social media. People have to always know your business. Yeah. And you know, probably don't know if you turn off your location and certain things, people know your location. No, sir. Yeah, so, yeah, Tory drop, voice note drop and all kind of same thing. Yeah. But I don't understand. These people, I'm a big deal. So, everything have to out there on the social media streets all the time. You know, it's like, these people have to always have your hype. So hype and bossy, and then not have the funds for sure. They not have the funds for sure. Them have to rob Peter for pay Paul, and then come back and them in a mess. I saw people do it these days, you know, because social media, if you watch social media, if you want to put out your life and say, you have reality and you do this and I do that. You're getting a real trouble. Yeah. If you keep up with the Joneses, it not gonna work on social media. You're just gonna get yourself in a mess. Anyway, I just that me I go say Curly in a bangarangs now them a call her scammer. But me no hear nothing from the charity police, them, you know, them means they need a touchy case. So me no know, but me know say the woman walk about and find the roundabout over the 360-degree man yard. Yeah, the 360 roundabout she find. Anyway, let me move on, because I can't stand too long. So let me move on. But me see what the lady there, the one what come out with her ID pan her shoulder. She come out about 3 or 4 times, yeah. So she come out with a very poor excuse. I don't understand these people, you know, them need some psychological evaluation or some sort. because she run up on the lady and then she come back out again and say what she and class up again. Yeah. And then she come back out again now and she apologize. Yeah. Very, very poor. Yeah. Very poor apology. So me no understand it, yeah. Yeah. And she keep up the videos them still up where she not post. Yeah. The woman come out and she cuss. And she cuss the lady. And now she come out and she big up the lady. And she big up Porty. Yeah. She big up the lady, she big up Porty. Yeah. So I don't get what's wrong with these people. Really? Really, lady? So you come out and you cuss her, and you know, and you're not even say, let me take down the video then, because you say I bait in a set. Bait in a set, see people them want to come in your comment section what you feel say. I prank up people them. I drag you and your husband. And you catch a bait, you catch a rat them. And you know, clean up the place and get rid of the poison and put everything away. So, me don't know that the excuse there. The bell is ringing very loud. The bells, it got bells on. It a ring very loud. No, sir. Them are people here is something else. I don't get it. So all the things then you say, the lady appear people she recruit, as you put it, recruit people for cause fear and them are people she send round. And then you come back out and you call her, you call her a scammer. Yeah, you come back out, you call her a scammer. And then you go back in then. And then you come back out and you come out now to apologize. Really? So them are the only two real people on social media. So it was all a game. You're playing with the lady brand. Yeah, you're playing with the lady brand and it's not acceptable. Your behavior is not acceptable, I'm going to say. You know, you can't come out with that kind of, I'm saying, you use our name. But you can't just come out and behave like that and then go back in and within less than 24 hours or 24, probably a little bit over 24 hours, you're going to come back out and say, oh, I was only joking. You're only joking. You make all the haters then run with it. And then you come out and you say, I was only joking. No, sir. One of dangerous, bad, I think. And then I would advise you to take down the videos if this is the case. If it was a joke and you didn't mean it then. And you don't use a bait. But that they clickbait there. That to me they never sound like a bait. Yeah. You know, sound like a bait. You block 200 people. Yeah, you catch them and you clean up your page. Why use the lady to clean up your page? Yeah, why use the lady to clean up your page? I don't get it. So, yeah, so that's what I'm going to say. There is some crazy people out here. Very crazy. And then the people that say they're professionals. Yeah, they're professionals. That excuse is very poor, my dear. I'm gonna say it is a very poor excuse because as a big woman like you, intelligent woman like you, I would think that you would know. So people will pretend to be certain people, and you can't put certain people. They'll pretend and to dry you out. If that's the case, what you're saying that people come in at your inbox and do all these things, but you're not sure, no proof, no evidence of anybody doing anything. So that's what I'm saying. If unless you come with the evidence, we can say something goes up. Yeah, but we not see nothing. You just use that to say people are dry you out. No, sir. Uno dangerous, bad, and that's all me go say. Uno people will set up people. If you do it for a short, for an hour, and then you come out and say a joke, but that was like 24 hours later, or a bit longer than 24 hours, you're gonna come out and say, oh, that was a joke, it was a prank. I don't know. That to me, yeah. Prank. It was a prank. That we saying it's a prank. Yeah, it's a prank. You apologize, so I know my business. Let me go and go do my business now. Anyway, please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.